All right, today I have a Nissan Armada and I'm going to show you how to use the key fob. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. So right here I have the wireless remote, also called the key fob. And you can see there's a lot of controls on here. There's a lot of buttons on here. And I'm going to go through them for you. And we're going to start off with the most used feature on this key fob right here. All right, so with this key fob, you have several features. You have the lock button you use to lock the car. And so you just press this and it locks the vehicle. You press it twice and it locks the vehicle. The same thing. Keep on pressing, it just keeps unlocking the vehicle. And then you have this right here where it's an unlock button. If I press this, it unlocks the vehicle. Sometimes if you just press it once, it will just unlock the driver's side door. If you press it twice, it unlocks all of the doors. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it. Then you have the feature right here. This is the trunk open button. If you press this and hold it, you'll hear that. And what's going on right now is that the trunk is opening. All right. It opens up like that. Now press it and hold it again. It closes the trunk by you pressing this button right here. Pretty cool feature. The next thing I'm going to go over is the automatic start. Okay. And I'm going to go over the automatic start after I do this. This is the alarm button. If I press this and hold it, the alarm goes off. And if I press it again, the alarm goes off. And to stop the alarm, I press it again and it stopped. Now I'm going to talk about the automatic start. So in order to engage the automatic start, you first have to press the lock button to lock the door. And then I'm going to press and hold this circular button right here. And as you can see, nothing happens, right? So I've pressed it twice. And as you can see, the automatic start will not work for this particular key fob when the key is actually inside of the vehicle. So this works, you press the lock and then you press this right here when you're outside of the vehicle and it will start the automatic start. Let me see if I could do this by opening up the window. I'm first going to turn on the car. All right, and then I'm going to hold this outside of the window. I'm going to do the same process. Let me go ahead and turn the vehicle off. So you have to be a certain amount of feet away from the vehicle for the automatic start to work with this particular key fob in this particular car. So that's that feature. And the next thing I'm going to go over is I am going to show you how to remove the key from out of the key fob. All right, so you just flip it over, go like this, and the key pops out like this, and you're able to use the key to enter the vehicle through the keyhole. And when you're done, you just slide it back into place like that. And that's how you use the key fob on this Nissan Armada. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.